So the game we have here differs from the game we saw when we described normal form games. Because in the game where, for normal form games, Alice and Bob were making their decision at the same time. Now, whether or not that was actually in time at the exact same time is irrelevant. The real thing we mean when we say at the same time, we mean with the same amount of information. And so in other words, we were saying that Alice in their mind was choosing sports or comedy. And Bob, in their mind, we don't know what Alice had chosen. And what we can do is we can still represent that situation using an extensive form game. And what we do is pictorially, we denote these vertices B1 as B2 in a similar partition. We put them together to denote that the amount of information that Bob has at either B1 or B2 is the same. In other words, that at this point, Bob does not know whether or not Alice has chosen sports or comedy. And once we allow for that, then this game is exactly the same as the normal form game. And so we have some flexibility here with what we do. And this notion of imperfect information, that the game where Bob has perfect information, Bob knows what Alice has chosen, is different from the game where Bob has imperfect information, in other words, doesn't know what Alice has chosen. And this particular set here, this collection of these two nodes, is called an information set. So this is the set of nodes that have the same information. And we're going to talk about that a little bit more in the next video.